Hey folks, it's Dave here from yourvintagewatch.com. Let's talk about pocket watches for a bit, particularly how to wear them and how to wear them with a pair of jeans. I've designed and make a really sweet leather pocket watch lanyard, and I want to tell you all about it. So let's get into it. And how does a leather lanyard allow you to wear your pocket watch with a pair of jeans? It's this right here, the watch pocket. Levi's has been offering it in their jeans since 1873, and I'd bet that most of the jeans you have one of these as well. Pocket watches come in lots of sizes, from the tiny to the relatively huge. Most collectors tend to focus on one or two of the three most popular sizes: the gentleman's size 12, the common railroader size number 16, and the relatively huge number 18. The lanyards I make work best with the size 16 and size 18 pocket watches. And here are the lanyards that are worthy of your favorite pocket watches. I make them in a distressed brown, midnight blue, and a gorgeous plum. And we'll get into the details on how to use these in just a moment. But first, I guess it's your lucky day. I've done a fashion show for you so you can see how these lanyards are worn. Let's head over to our local old-timey train station and take a look. Let's take a closer look at these lanyards. This is the distressed brown. The keepers are glued and hand stitched. The button stud is screwed on, solid brass. The middle of the lanyard is made of what's called a mystery braid. It's all one solid piece of leather, but woven. A great conversation starter, also makes it really soft. The belt loop easily accommodates standard 1.5-inch belts, and you can open the belt loop end as well as the pocket watch end for storing your watch or switching your lanyard between some of your favorite pocket watches. And though it's a really secure lanyard, it's also quite easy to take your pocket watch off, as you're seeing here. This is the plum-colored lanyard. And the midnight blue. I think the midnight blue looks great with white gold watches as well. And let's put on the lanyard. Slide it through the keepers. Press it on firmly over the button stud and slide it into the last keeper. When ordering your lanyard, you can choose from a whole boatload of stitching colors to either coordinate or contrast with your choice of leather and hardware. The button studs, which are also called Sam Browns, are available in black, antique brass, and also gunmetal. Now let's take a closer look at that plum lanyard, and also the distressed brown lanyard, and of course the midnight blue. I make these lanyards available at my Etsy site that you can easily get to at yourvintagewatch.com. Please leave a message in the comment box below. Let me know what you think about pocket watches, how you like to wear them, and other videos that you'd like to see. And go ahead, hit the like button. It really helps other people find this video as well. And if you want to subscribe, you'll be notified when I have a next video that goes up. Thanks for watching. Take care.